To do a quick video on the cable for the L295 DT. If you're doing the if your cable breaks for your tach, this one here is for an I guess 2601. I don't know if it's an L or just a 2601. I'm finding that some of the parts interchange between the 2601 and the L295 DT. So if you're having real trouble trying to find parts for your L295, the engine, I guess, is the same on these. So it looks like the connector worked on this side for that, and it also has the same one for this side. So they sell these on eBay, and so far it looks like it's going to work just fine. So just so you know, if you want to buy a tach cable, the one that fits the L2601, I think it's L2601. 2601 is the same as the one for the 295. Maybe it's a little bit shorter or something, I don't know, or a little bit longer, but it seems like it will work just perfectly. I'll talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.